There is a tool on Amazon that can increase your conversion rate up to 20%, but many sellers use it the wrong way. I'm talking about your A plus content, and in this video you will gonna learn some very important things like what modules you should use, how do you optimize your listing with the A plus content, how you can tweak your main images so that people notice your listing first. Also, I'm gonna share some tips and tricks throughout the video. So this video is going to be our roadmap, a step-by-step guide to turning your listing into a conversion machine. By the end of it, you will know exactly how to structure your A plus content, tell a brand story that resonates, and design visuals that instantly grab attention. So let's start. Let's start with the A plus content first, and you will find it on Seller Central. Click on hamburger menu, then advertising, then A plus content manager. Now if you click start creating A plus content, so these three options you are seeing here right now: basic, premium, and brand story. Okay, if you do not see premium here, you just need to be brand registered and at least 5 approved A plus content. Basic A plus content obviously. Now if you got both basic and premium, then I suggest you should move forward with the premium A plus content, cause here you will find a lot more modules variations. You can add videos, Uber hotspot, image carousels, Q&A modules. Premium A plus content is more engaging than the basic, and it also take more spaces. Now let me show you what I mean. So this listing uses basic A plus content, and if you see the modules, now notice that this takes less space. Here is a gap, and also on the right side is a gap. Now another thing you will notice that whole A plus content is a combination of images and text. That's it. You see images and you read the text. That's how a shopper engage with the listing, and that can be changed if you use premium A plus content. Like in this listing, you can see they use premium A plus content, and this is the first module. And if you notice that this takes up the whole screen, there is no space left. So you see the bigger, broader picture. Also, they use image carousel here. So see this tiny arrow. If you click this, image will slide and you can see what next. Okay, they only use images carousels here, but premium comes up with lot more options. So if I show you from the backend, wait a second. So you can see there are a lot of options like images with text, 3 types of comparison tables. Okay, let me tell you which one you should add, as you can only add 7 modules. So definitely you have to be choosy, and you need to be add best modules with a proper visual strategy, so that people not only attract but also they can get proper information, valuable information without reading the title or description. Honestly speaking, nobody has that much time. Comparison chat, this is a must add modules. Comparison chat has that power to cross sell your other products. So how does it work? If we see a comparison chart, now first one is the main products and the rest is products of same brands. So when shoppers see this, they will also know about the other products this brand is selling. If shoppers' requirements match with the other products, they will check that, and if fulfill their demand, and they will buy. So whatever the situation is, you are actually holding your customers and engaged with your brands. Otherwise, people will move to other brands and try to compare with you. Comparison chart allow to compare your other product. So I would say comparison chart is a must. Alright, move to the next. And this one's a must too, the premium full video, because it lets you show your product in a real, natural way. People can actually see how it looks and works in a real life, which builds trust and grabs attention way faster. Next, image carousel. There are 3 types of image carousel available. All 3 are helpful. In the image carousel, you can show lot more information with images. So here, they are highlighting testimonials along with their company mission, which helps build trust right away. And when you click this arrow, it slides to the next section, where they actually showcase real customer reviews of their costumes, which further validates the product and makes it more convincing. Now if I scroll below, they also add image carousel, and here they highlight the key features. So carousels allow you to showcase a lot of information on your listing page with engaging way, and that's a plus because you can showcase the benefits, features, your reviews, certification, etc. So this one is a really powerful module. Next, Q&A. This looks simple, but this is a must and module. Cause when a shopper try to understand your product, they might have some question arise. You can collect some most common question and answer them in this Q&A section so that a shopper does not need have to search for the question. That's the most important modules. Now you might be thinking that without premium A plus content, your listing will feel kind of dull. That's actually not true because A plus content is really about how you present your product, how clearly you guide people to the information they are looking for, and how easily they can understand why your product is the right choice. It's not about having more features, it's about using the right structure, the right visuals, and the right messaging to make everything click. You can do this with both premium or basic A plus content. What really matters is having a good, actually a really good designer, and at the end of the day it's the experience that determines just how good that designer really is. Ecomclips has 15 years of experience in scaling Amazon businesses, and we have a graphics team that knows exactly how to turn your A plus content into a conversion powerhouse. They craft visuals that not only look amazing but also guide your customers to take action, helping your listing and stand out sell better. Now look at this listing. We designed that, and if you notice, this is a basic A plus content. That means we can only use images and text. With such limitation, we designed this. If you notice the first one, it's highlight the brand, highlight the product, and the design is very realistic. Now in the second module, we focus this with iconography. This is the awareness that this product is gluten-free, GMO-free, no artificial flavor, no additives, and this is 100% bio-natural. Next, we design these modules highlighting the capsules features. And the next module is about product application and how it works in your body. Next, we showcase the lifestyle images here, and lastly, we add a comparison chart. As I said that comparison chart is a must. If you look at the design of all modules, these are engaging, well designed, and you will get lot more information without reading anything. That's the power of really well designed. So if you need this type of design to engage your shopper that ultimately leads you to the conversion, we can help you. Send us a mail at info@ecomclips.com, share your ASIN, and we will audit your listing for free, and we will share that change you need to scale up your conversion rate. Anyway, if you do have A plus content in your listing and you are not sure if it is good or not, or maybe it looks fine but something is missing and you don't know what, Amazon has a new tool that can help you. Alright, for that go to the advertising, then A plus content manager. Now here you see this new feature called content quality analysis. This is still in a beta version. However, below, if you click on content quality analysis, a list of product will appear. And right after that, you will see recommendations available. So when you click on this, let's open an example. We are looking at this Lerosette skin toner. And if we open this detailed recommendations section, you will see Amazon is giving all this suggestion on what to improve. So you get the idea like first one here. Enhance clinical credibility. Basically, what they are saying is you should add before or after some clinical data, percentages, stuff like that to build trust. Now, does this make sense? Yeah, for skincare definitely. But here's the thing, this is something I would actually put in the main listing images first, not just rely on A plus content for this. Next one, ingredient education. What they are basically saying here is, this section is a bit too text heavy, and if you actually look at it, it's more like paragraph style, and that way you can get recommendations directly from Amazon and improve your A plus content design. Alright, now you know that design matters, and you can also get Amazon recommendations for your A plus content, but that's only half the picture. If your main image is not engaging enough to generate clicks, then none of this really matters. So your main image needs to be really outstanding, eye-catchy, and get attention first. Let me show you. If I go to the Amazon and search for the ice cream scoop and scroll down a bit, these catch my attention. This little tag gives me the idea this has color variation. But right after that scoop, this one only show that products. That's it, no other information. Now this one showcases the packages in the main image. And these two use image props. Let's check another product, baking tray, this one and sticker on the tray, and let me open this picture. Now here you see the sizes you will get. You also know that this is not sticky as well. So that's the trick. Give lot more information creatively within your main image. Now if I search vitamin supplements, okay, this orange one is a good main image. If we open it, now see that they added a tag which is definitely not going to come up with the product. It's just in the main image to inform you that this has 3 types of magnesium. Also, they added quantity information and they showcase the raw ingredients. So you got the idea instead of just showing the product page. All of them are actually try to give you information about their product in a clever way. So I would suggest to make your main image looks outstanding. Use tricks to showcase your product key selling points. Try to give more information about your product. In this moment, I want to show you some example that we ecommerce made. This was the main images, and here we got less option to showcase. So what we did is this. We filled up with colorful stuff and stickers showcasing you that you can store candies crisp in it. That means we show the purpose and add the color as well. That means we show the purpose and add the color as well. Not only good image but also give you information, and for this one we add package and a tag showing the quantity. Now you know that it's come up the 6-piece set. Okay, these are our work. Hope you got the idea. The main image really matters because it drives your CTR. And once people click on your listing, your A+ content keeps them engaged and helps them actually make the buying decision. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.